Good evening, students. How are you? This is Ankit Joshi. I welcome you all on India's largest e-learning platform. BYJU'S Exam Prep students on this channel of Mechanical and Civil Engineering. Yes, I welcome you all. Just wait for a few more seconds so that everyone should join. Meanwhile, you should respond whether everything is audible. Am I audible to you? Is everything all fine regarding the audio and the video? Hello, Swapnil. How are you? Swapnil, what is your native place? Hello, Karan. How are you? Students, great. Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Very nice. Where are you completing your where have you completed your degree? कहाँ से डिग्री कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं अपना? Okay. I'm also fine, Karan. Just waiting for a few more responses. चलिए start करते हैं. Great software. So students, on your screen you can see the information regarding the GATE PYQ series for EC electrical instrumentation on our EC electrical channel that already started from 18th of December. 90% students, you can avail scholarships up to 90%, various preparation programs. 24th December is the date scheduled for scholarship test. Timing is 8 p.m. and you are just requested to download our app, that is BYJU'S Exam Prep, and register yourself, enroll yourself for this scholarship test. This will definitely helping you achieving something in your life. Not many things. Students, GATE ESE test series, full length mock, subject wise tests. To register, for registration link is given in the description box. So test series is an important tool to assess yourself. Yes, Deepak. And students, tomorrow, that is on 22nd of December, you can say today also, your favorite Abhinav Negi sir will be coming live. Formula memory test, GATE and ESE 2023. Geotechnical engineering is the subject. Don't forget, timing is 10:45 p.m. Deepak is saying that, sir, provide some good detailed explanation. Deepak, for every question, I try to do so, and keeping your words in mind, I will better than before. These are the various key features of the test series. Book you can download from the description. This is a brief introduction about me, students. As you know, my name is Ankit Joshi, and I have been teaching in this GATE and ESE domain for more than 16 years, and my subjects of interest are engineering mathematics, analog circuits, and signals and systems. Here comes your first question, students. Of course, Shreyans, this session is useful for all branches of mechanical, civil, EC, electrical, instrumentation, everyone. See, the students, one to A and then one to B. The inner operator is dx. 1 by x we are keeping inside, then dx. Means this limits corresponds to the limits of variable x. And these limits are corresponding to Okay, yes sir. 1 by y is kept outside dy. Requesting all of you to share the link of this in all your contacts. Requesting you to hit the like button. If you have not hit the like button till now, I request all of you to hit now. Take 1 second time and hit the like button. Okay. So students, 1 to a 1 by y as it is. Anji, 1 upon x. Integration of 1 upon x is log x. Log to the base. Limits are from 1 to b. Then what? See here. Just a moment. Log x, upper limit is b. Log b. Log 1 is 0. So log b. That is constant. It will move out. Integration of 1 by y with respect to integration of 1 by y is log y. Limits are from 1 to a. Limits are from 1 to a. Log b into log a. Of course, we can say that ln a into ln b, option D is the correct answer. Manas Pagare, Swapnil Ghotki, Baldev. Yes, option D is the correct one. Correct. ln a into ln b. Let's move ahead. This question was asked in GATE 2019 for production engineering. Since the pair of limits are constant, this question was very easy for you. See this. Consider the function f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square in the domain minus 1 comma 2, the global minimum. Okay, so whenever they ask you minimum or maximum in an interval, that minimum or maximum is called as global minimum or global maximum. The same is also known as absolute minimum or absolute maximum. Find it, interval is given, that's why they have used the word global. So first of all, we'll find the local maxima and local minima. First step, what is f of x? F of x is x cube, sorry, 2x cube minus 3x square. The very first step will be first derivative. First derivative. F of x को differentiate कीजिए with respect to x. What you will get? 6x square minus 6x. Second step will be forming an equation f dash x equal to 0. So 6x common, x minus 1. So we have got two stationary points, x equal to 0 and x equal. They are stationary points. Second derivative, double derivative. Double derivative, 12x minus 6. Comfortable? 12x minus 6 is double derivative. Fourth step, double derivative is evaluated at 0, first stationary point, and double derivative is evaluated at 1, that is second stationary point. Students, when you put double derivative at 0, double derivative 0, you get minus 6. So this is less than 0, so this corresponds to maxima. And double derivative at 1, I will hide myself first. Double derivative of 1 will be 6. Which is positive. So we are getting minima. Okay, we want global minima. So global minima, the interval minus 1 comma 2. This will be minimum of f of minus 1, f of 2, and local minima. F of minus 1. When you put minus 1 here, you will get minus 2 and minus 3. That will be minus 5. When you put 2, you will get 2 cube. 8 2s are 16. 16 minus 12, that will be 4. And local minima is occurring at 1. So when you put 1, you will get minus 1. Put x equal to 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1. So minimum value is minus 5. So global minima is minus 5. Global minima is minus 5. Is that clear? Comfortable with this? Everyone understood this? Next. See here. Limit extending to infinity, root of x square plus x minus 1 minus x. Okay. So students, will rationalize this. So x square plus x minus 1 minus x root of x square x plus x. So we are multiplying and dividing by this term. Okay. तो न्यूमरेटर क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? See, this root a minus b, a plus b. So a square, it means root will be cancelled. X square plus x minus 1 minus x square, correct? This term's square will be x square plus x minus 1 minus x square on what you are getting. Okay, so x square gets cancelled. We are getting x minus 1 in the numerator. If I take x common, I will get 1 minus 1 by x. Then again I am taking x common from the denominator. So when I take x common from the denominator, this under root, in place of x square you will get 1, in place of x get 1 by x, in place of minus 1 you will get minus 1 by x square. Very good. And in place of this x you will get plus. So this x and this x gets cancelled. Put x equal to infinity. So 1 minus 0. 1 upon infinity is 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 1 by 2 is our answer. Option C is the correct answer. Karan Kumar. Mechanical 2016 has a question. So Abhinav Negi sir is with us and he is informing you what I already informed, that he will be coming live at 10:45 p.m. for formula memory test of soil mechanics. So students, that's definitely for you. Make it more grand by coming in very huge numbers. See, इसके बारे में क्या ख्याल है? So students, see, W is the function of xy. W is the function of xy. W is the function of, hello Rishabh, how are you? W is the function of two variables x and y, where x and y each are the functions of t. That's true, Arun, that's true. then according to the chain rule dw by dt, ये dw by dt चाहिए हमें. Now see here, कितने intermediate variables हैं? There are two intermediate variables. So derivative of w with respect to t will be total derivative. So this total derivative will be having two terms. One term will be corresponding to x, another term will be corresponding to y. तो कुछ इस प्रकार से होगा w to x and x to t. One more term, another term will be for y. So w to y, y to t. Derivative of w with respect to x, del w by del x. And derivative of x with respect to t will be by dt. Similarly, derivative of w with respect to y will be partial, del w del y. And derivative of y with respect to t by dt. So, option C is the correct answer. 2017 का क्वेश्चन है सिविल इंजीनियरिंग. नेक्स्ट, option C is the correct answer. dx by dt, this will be, and dy by dt, this will be simple derivatives, not the partial derivatives, because x and y are functions of single variable t. Variable, simple derivatives will exist, not the partial derivative. See this question. This is again a beautiful question. See here. We are putting sine inverse x equal to t. 1 upon root of 1 x square dx equal to d. Coming on to the limits. Okay. So when x is 0, t will be sine inverse 0, that is 0. And when x is 1, t will be sine inverse 1, that is pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 are the limits. Correct? Okay, sir. Integration of t square will be t cube by 3. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Pi cube upon 8 is 20 minus 0. Pi cube upon 24. This should be our answer. Again, GATE 2017 for civil engineering. Comfortable everyone? Respond कीजिए जल्दी जल्दी. The value of this integral x cos square x dx 0 to pi x cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 dx. So 1 by 2 is out. Integration 0 to pi x dx. One more, integration 0 to pi x into cos 2x dx. Okay, sir. Integration of x will be x square by 2. Integration by parts. According to Euclid rule, algebraic is first and trigonometric is second. QV, integration by parts. First function QV1. Integration of cos will be sin 2x upon 2. QV1, UV. X as it is, cos 2x integration will be sin 2x by 2 minus derivative of x will be 1. Integration of sin 2x will be minus cos 2x by 2. 2 is already there, so 2 to the 4. Limits are 0 to pi. Case of x, pi. So pi square by 2. प्लस 2 पाई सॉरी पाई sin 2 पाई तो वैनिश हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा। देन माइनस माइनस प्लस cos 2 पाई is 1, lower limits minus, put x equal to 0, so 0, first two terms are 0 no? And third term minus minus plus cos 0 is 1 by 4. Okay, this 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 gets cancelled. Pi square by 4 should be our answer. Option B is the correct answer. How many of you got this answer? Let me know. Come on yaar, respond कीजिए. This question appeared in GATE 2018. Next, let's proceed. See here. If you put x square equal to t, x dx will be half dt. Limits. Thank you meme central. Thank you बेटा. तो वो पूछ रहे ये कैसे हो सकता है, क्या पूछना चाह रहे हैं, क्या कैसे हो सकता है, कौन ले आया मिक्स क्वेश्चन, कहाँ है एप्टीट्यूड का क्वेश्चन, कहाँ दिख रहा है, क्वेश्चन एप्टी का है भाई, एज एक्स टेंडिंग टू जीरो, जब ये एक्स जीरो हो जाएगा, ई का वैल्यू जीरो होगा, और जब एक्स का वैल्यू पाई बाय 4 होगा, एम फाइन सैम, so when x tending to pi by 4, t क्या होगा, t will be pi square by equal to pi by 4, so square by 16 आएगा सर, तो न्यू लिमिट्स फॉर t, थैंक यू सैम, थैंक्स लॉट, so t1 equal to 0, upper limit is pi square by 16. What about x? X dx is 1 by 2 dt, and cos x square will be cos t. Okay sir, cos t, integration of cos t will be sin t, 0 से pi square 16, sin pi square by 16 should be your sin pi square by 16, 0.289 आता है आंसर। जी हाँ। चलिए नेक्स्ट आगे चलते। जी हाँ। 0.25 से 1.25 में माइनस मॉड एक्स। नॉट मॉड एक्स, बॉक्स एक्स है। तो दो पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करते हैं। माइनस साइन बीच में, यहाँ पर लिखते हैं बॉक्स एक्स। एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन एक्स स्क्वायर बाय 2, 0.25 यानी कि 1.25 मतलब 5 बॉक्स एक्स। 0.25 से 1 में एक वैल्यू होगी। देखो ये इसके दो पार्ट्स होंगे, एक होगा 0.25 से 1 और दूसरा होगा 1 से 1 0.25 से 1 में बॉक्स फंक्शन यानी कि ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन रिटर्न करेगा 0। 0.25 से 1 में बॉक्स फंक्शन का वैल्यू होता है 0 और 1 से 1.25 के बीच में बॉक्स फंक्शन का वैल्यू होता है 1। तो देखो पहला जो पार्ट है 1/2 तो बाहर है, x की जगह 5/4 है, लेकिन x का स्क्वायर तो 25/16 रखना होगा। फिर लोअर लिमिट 1/4, 1/4 का स्क्वायर ये हो जाएगा 1/16, फिर बीच में माइनस, ये 0 खत्म। 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x 1.25 माइनस 1 तो 0.25 मतलब 1/4। अच्छा 25 माइनस 1 24, 24/16 यानी कि 3/2, तो ये 3/4 हो गया। 3/4 माइनस 1/4, 2/4 दैट इज 1/2। 0.5 हमारा आंसर होना चाहिए। गेट 2018 इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच का। लेट्स मूव अहेड। एफ ऑफ एक्स गिवन है, ये फंक्शन मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करना है 0,2 इंटरवल में। अच्छी बात। तो सबसे पहले तो हम एफ ऑफ एक्स से एफ डैश एक्स निकाल लेते हैं। 9x is 14 प्लस 5। तीसरे स्टेप में हम लिखेंगे एफ डैश एक्स इक्वल टू 0। चलिए इसको 0 से इक्वेट कीजिए। रूट्स बताना है आपको। 9x स्क्वायर माइनस 14x को ब्रेक किया, माइनस 9x माइनस 5x। 9x कॉमन ले लो बच्चों, x माइनस 1, फिर माइनस 5 कॉमन, x माइनस 1। यहाँ से हमारे पास दो फैक्टर्स आ गए प्यारे बच्चों। एक आ गया 9x माइनस 5, एक आ गया x माइनस। x का वैल्यू एक आ गया 5/9 और दूसरा आ गया 1। चलेगा, दो पॉइंट्स आ गए। अब क्या किया जाए बच्चों, अब हम फाइंड करेंगे सेकंड डेरिवेटिव। सेकंड डेरिवेटिव यहाँ से आएगा 18x माइनस 14। फिर हम सेकंड डेरिवेटिव पर 5/9 पर कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 18 टाइम्स 5/9 माइनस 14, देखो क्या बनेगा। 2 5 10, 10 माइनस 14 माइनस 4 बनेगा बच्चों। ये नेगेटिव मतलब ये मैक्सिमा का पॉइंट है। हमारे पास और एक पॉइंट है एक्स ऑफ डबल डैश ऑफ 1। एफ डबल डैश वन डैश वन तो कैलकुलेट 18 ये पॉइंट लोकल मिनिमा देगा, तो हमारे लिए काम का है 5/9 ये पॉइंट। ठीक है, देखिए इस फंक्शन का वैल्यू 0 और 2 पर भी निकाल देंगे। देखो मैक्सिमम ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स 0,2 ये ग्लोबल होगा, ग्लोबल मैक्सिमा या ग्लोबल मिनिमा ही इसी इंटरवल में निकाला जाता है। तो आप क्या निकालेंगे, मैक्सिमम ऑफ एफ ऑफ 0 एफ ऑफ 2 और अभी आपके पास जो लोकल मैक्सिमा आया है एफ ऑफ 0 यहाँ से निकालना पड़ेगा। इस पूरे फंक्शन में एक्स की जगह 0 रखा तो 6 आएगा, इस पूरे फंक्शन में एक्स की जगह 2 रखा तो 2 का क्यूब 8 8 3 24 2 स्क्वायर 4 7 4 28 5 2 10 6 16 तो -4 10 6 6 12 क्या गया। और लोकल मैक्सिमा कहाँ पर ऑकर हो रहा है 5/9 पर। इस फंक्शन में x की जगह 5/9 रखा, इस फंक्शन में x की जगह पर 5/9 रखा, तो 3 इंटू हाँ 5/9 का क्यूब मतलब 125/729 माइनस 7x², 7 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर 5/9 का स्क्वायर 5/80 प्लस 5x इंटू 5/9 प्लस 6 ये आ गया हमारे पास 7.132। तो मैक्सिमा आया है 12, ग्लोबल मैक्सिमा आया है 12। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दिस, you obtained the maxima as 12, how many of you got this? See this question। देखो यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, वेरी गुड सुपर, मानस अरुण स्वप्निल, वेरी गुड सुपर। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग फंक्शन del v by del x क्या हुआ है px स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2x, लिखता हूँ स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy del v by del y x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy। अगर हम यहाँ से v निकालना चाहें तो हम दोनों तरफ इंटीग्रेट करेंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x के रिस्पेक्ट में इंटीग्रेट करते समय x को छोड़कर जो दूसरा इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है y उसको कांस्टेंट मानेंगे। del v बाई del x का इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा v कांस्टेंट, एक्स स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन एक्स क्यूब बाई 3 हो जाएगा, वाई स्क्वायर कांस्टेंट है 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x हो जाएगा, फिर x का इंटीग्रेशन होगा एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, y कांस्टेंट प्लस यहाँ पर एक इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट आएगा, वो कांस्टेंट y का फंक्शन हो सकता है। आगे बढ़ते हैं, इसको इंटीग्रेट किया विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, इंटीग्रेट किया विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y तो अज्यूमिंग x एज कांस्टेंट, तो डेल v बाई डेल y का इंटीग्रेशन करूंगा y के रिस्पेक्ट में तो डेल बाई डेल y हट जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर कांस्टेंट है 1 का इंटीग्रेशन y, क्यू कांस्टेंट y स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन y क्यूब बाई 3 और x एज इट इज y का इंटीग्रेशन y स्क्वायर बाई 2 2 कैंसिल प्लस 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 सम कांस्टेंट, और ये प्रोसेस में x कांस्टेंट है तो इस कांस्टेंट में x हो सकता है, इस कांस्टेंट में कंटेन x। ओके, अब देखिए अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि इक्वेशन 1 मेरा आंसर है, तो मुझे साई 1 y पता नहीं, लेकिन मैं ये तो जानता हूँ कि साई 1 y में x नहीं है, यानी कि साई 1 जो है वो फ्री फ्रॉम x है। तो दूसरी इक्वेशन में देखो, इक्वेशन 2 में देखो फ्री फ्रॉम x टर्म कौन सी है। इक्वेशन 2 में फ्री फ्रॉम x टर्म बताइए, फ्री फ्रॉम x, फ्री फ्रॉम x बताइए, क्यू वाई क्यूब बाय 3। तो अगर आप इक्वेशन 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो आपको भी मिल जाएगा, बी एक्स क्यूब बाय 3 प्लस क्यू वाई क्यूब बाय 3 प्लस एक्स वाई स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई प्लस, हाँ आ तो गया, एक्स क्यूब बाई 3, फिर क्यू वाई क्यूब बाई 3 एक्स वाई स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई। अगर आप कहते हैं कि इक्वेशन 2 आपका आंसर है तो साइड 2 विल बी अननोन, तो साइड 2 फ्री फ्रॉम y है। इक्वेशन 1 में फ्री फ्रॉम y देखिए, इक्वेशन 1 में फ्री फ्रॉम y पहली टर्म है पी एक्स क्यूब बाई 3, इसको अगर आप इक्वेशन 1 में रखेंगे और इक्वेशन 2 में रखेंगे तो आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा, p का वैल्यू देखो, जो अभी हमने फाइंड किया अननोन वो लिख देंगे, वाई क्यूब बाई 3 लिख लेंगे ये वाली टर्म, एक्स स्क्वायर वाई लिख लेंगे और फिर अंत में एक्स वाई स्क्वायर लिख लेंगे। तो ये दोनों ही सेम आंसर है। देखो जरा कौन सा ऑप्शन से मैच हो रहा है, देखो डी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर। The same procedure, Manas, same algorithm I followed. Next, क्या देखिए, a real valued function y of real variable x is such that y equal to 5 mod x at x equal to 0 the function is, अच्छा देखिए, for x greater than equal to 0 you are having 5x, for x less than 0 you are having minus 5. Clearly we can say that this function is continuous but not differentiable. Continuous but not differentiable, continuous but not differentiable. I move to the next, 2018 का क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन इंजीनियरिंग। F be a real valued function of a real variable defined as f of x is x square for x greater than equal to, and for x less than 0 it is minus x. Okay. So if you just check its continuity, you will find that it is continuous at 0, because left hand limit at 0 equal to right hand limit at 0 equal to f of 0. So function is continuous as well as differentiable. Left hand derivative is 0, right hand derivative is also 0. So we can say that this function is continuous and differentiable at x equal to 0. Now let us find out its first derivative, because the options are also given in terms of its first derivative. See here, its first derivative, its first derivative. So its first derivative will be 2x and minus 2x. So it is quite obvious that continuous but not differentiable. Okay. So see here, f of x is differentiable but its first derivative is continuous. F of x is differentiable g है, but its first derivative, that is this one, not continuous at x. This is wrong because this one is continuous. F of x is differentiable g, but its first derivative is not differentiable. Correct. F of x is continuous, but f of x is continuous. So we can say that option D is the correct one. See, we have to integrate. This is first function and second. I let first function integration of second function, integration dy dx of first derivative of second. Integration of dy dx of c. First function integration of second minus integration of dx. Integration of x is x square by 2. Integration derivative of log x is 1. Integration of x will be x square by 2 2 is 1 x is cancelled and integration of x will be x square. Limits are from 1 to x से लेकर e. When you put e, get e square by 2. Log e base e is 1. E square. Lower limits minus and then 1. Log 1 is 0. 1 by 4. E square plus 1 by 4. Square plus answer है 2.097. Done? Yes, sir. Find out. For a small value h, formula wise approach है, it's direct formula. The Taylor series expansion, f of x plus h का Taylor series expansion. What is that? F of x plus h upon factorial 1 f dash x plus h square by f double dash x and so on. Option A is the correct answer. Take denominators, we have factorials. Next. Area of an ellipse represented by an equation. We are having an ellipse. In x-axis at a comma 0 minus a comma 0, y-axis at 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. Its equation will be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So its area is simply pi ab. Option A, straight away. Have you all hit the like button? So this question is based on change of order of integration, and here we supposed to change the limits. 0 to 1, 0 to x square. Okay. These are the given limits. First of all, we'll find the normal order of integration. First, here the variable y is having variable set of limits. So first integrate to y, then x. But we want new order or changed order. So first, just opposite to this. First integrate with respect to x, then with respect to new order. So corresponding to the new order, we have to find the new limits. Corresponding to the new order, we have to find the new limits. Find the new limits, not this old limit. Hmm. Hmm. X square equal to y. Parabola, vertical, opening upward. X square equal to, then x equal to 1. This is a line parallel to y axis at a distance 1. X equal to 0, y axis, and y equal to 0 is x axis. This is the, what we say, shaded region. In this shaded region, we will draw a strip. That strip will be drawn parallel to x axis, because in new order we have to integrate first with respect to x. The endpoint of this strip, endpoints of this strip are named as P and Q. So P and Q give you y1 and y2. Point is lying on this parabola. From this parabola, what is y? It's x square. Q point is lying on this line. What is y? I'm extremely sorry. Strip is parallel to, strip is parallel to, strip is parallel to x axis. See, first of all, see the new order. new order, first you want to integrate with respect to x. So draw a strip PQ parallel to x-axis. So you will be getting the limits of x, x1 and x2. So P point is lying on this parabola. What is x? X will be root. Q point is lying on this line. What is x? X will be 1. Y1 and Y2. If your strip is horizontal, slide it vertical. जैसे ऊपर तक इसको slide कीजिए. You will get y. So y is 0 and here y will be 1. Okay. So limits of y are from 0 to 1. Limits of x are from root y to 1. Root y to 1. Root y to 1. 0 to 1. Yes, sir. Here, limits of x are from root y to 1. Limits of y are from 0 to 1. Okay. Integrand function is xy square dx dy. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. Fast. Come on. Fast. Respond कीजिए. A straight line drawn on the xy plane shifts the x-axis at minus 0.5 and y-axis at 1. Okay. According to intercept form of a straight line, x upon a plus y upon b 1. So it's minus 1 by 2 in the denominator. So minus x plus y equal to the equation. If you want y, y will be 2x plus. Option A is the correct answer. GATE 2020. Yes, Sai Kishore, I corrected beta. Series. Here. Integration of this r with respect to r square by 2. Limits 0 to cos theta. Then we have d theta. Sin theta. R square, that will be square theta. 0. So students, beta functions. So 1 by 2 is already there. 1 by 2 beta function of t. T is 1. So plus 1 by 2. Q plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Gamma 1, gamma 3 by 2. 5 by 2. 1 by 4. Gamma 1 is 1. Gamma 3 by 2. Gamma 5 by 2 is 3 by 2. Gamma 3. 1 by 6 will be the answer. And B is the correct answer. Yes. Which one? This one is good one. F of x. Okay. 2 points, 1 and 3. When you put 1 here, this height will be f of 1 corresponding to height will be of 3. f of 1 कितना होगा? 1 minus 2 plus 2. f of 2 कितना होगा? 2 square 4. 4 minus 4 cancel plus 2. Point will be 2. So students, what they are saying that the point x at which tangent of f of x becomes parallel to the straight line joining f of 1 and f. We are talking about this tangent. So this tangent according to LMVT, Lagrange's mean value theorem, by Lagrange's mean value theorem, right? F dash c or f dash x, whatever, will be f of 3 minus f of 1 on 3 minus 1. So f dash x, 2x minus 2, f of 3, 2, f of 1, 1, and in denominator we have 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 common, common, x, 2 minus 1 is 0, 1 by 2 plus 2 is 5 by 2. What about x? X will be 5 by 4. It of 1, okay. Of 3 कैसे आएगा? I've done wrong calculations. Yes, I've done wrong. F of 3. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 is 5. Check it once. F of 1 is correct. F of 3 is 5. 5 minus 1. So 2 by 5 minus 1. 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So value of x. Option D is the correct answer. Thank you, Kishore. Superb. Comfortable? Next question. Students, this is a very sweet question. See, we are integrating from minus 1 to plus 1, and x is odd function. E raised to mod x is even function. Odd into even, that will be odd function. Whenever you are integrating an odd function from minus 1 to plus 1, answer will be 0. Answer will be it. Students, see this question. The value of line integral 2xy square plus 2x square by dy plus dz. We want to find out this line integral, evaluate this line integral along a straight line. It should be along a straight line joining the origin to the point 111. The students, we will construct a line OA, x minus 0 upon 1 minus 0, y minus 0 upon 1 minus 0, z minus 0 upon 1 minus 0. So students, x upon 1, y upon 1, z upon 1. Let us say it is equal to k. X equal to k, z equal to. So obviously we will have dx equal to dy equal to dz. That will be, students, this integral is in place of x, y and z you are thinking. Dx is dk. Then 2k, dy is again dk, it is out. Then dz is dk. In place of dz you will get plus. Limits are from k equal to 0 to 1. K equal to 0 will give you first point and k equal to 1 will give you second point. So 4k cube, its integration will be 4 k raised to 4. Integration of 1 is k. Limits are from 0 to. Am I audible? Hi Kishore. Can you hear me? 4 cancelled. When you put k equal to 1, you will get 1 plus 1, 2. The answer. So, next question. See here. The smaller angle between these two planes. So the most easiest way is, see, these two planes, from these two planes we can easily find their direction ratios. So direction ratios, that is the coefficients are 1 1 1, and here the coefficients are 2 minus 1 and 2. So angle between them will be 1 into 2 2, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 1 into 2 is again 2, and under root. Of course, Sai Kishore will do that. So 1 1 1, sum of squares, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, then 2 square minus 1 square and 2 square. So 4 minus 1 is 3, root 3, and 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, under root of 9 is 3. So cos theta is 1 by root 3, so theta is cos inverse 1 by root 3. 2017. So what is gamma function? Gamma function is denoted as, this is the symbol for gamma n. This is integration from 0 to infinity, e raised to minus x, x raised to n minus 1 dx. This is the format. Okay, sir. This n cannot be negative. So if you are having Ashish Singh Thakur, IFS Ashish Singh Thakur, good morning. See, if you are having an integration from 0 to infinity, e raised to minus x, x raised to 7 dx. So compare both of these, you will get n minus 1 equal to 7 So n will be 8. So its answer will be gamma 8. Gamma 8 means gamma 7 plus 1. Gamma n plus 1, when n is integer, it is factorial n. Factorial 7 will be the answer. Yes, come on, respond कीजिए. Similar question we just solved. Question number 25th, I guess. Just try it yourself. See, del dot. Del cross V. Students, del dot means divergence. Del cross means curl. Divergence of curl of a vector is always 0. So this is directly an identity. So no need to calculate further. Its answer will be yes, sir. Similar question we already solved. I'm keeping it for homework. For questions, you must answer the correct answer in the comment box after the session. The value of the integral surface integral r dot n cap dc by divergence theorem. Hmm, hmm, hmm. No, but Green's theorem is applicable on a plane, not in 3D. R vector dot n cap or n vector ds. So this will be volume integral divergence of r vector dv. This is the format. R vector is given as xi plus yj plus zk. From this r vector, divergence of r vector will be simply 3. So volume integral of 3 dv. 3 is out. So volume integral of 1, volume integral of 1, volume integral of 1 will be nothing but volume. So 3v will be the answer. Option C will be the correct answer. Option C will be the correct answer. Done. Next. This question. Divergence of the vector field. How to calculate divergence? Divergence of this will be del by del x of x component e raised to x cos y. Del by del y of y component e raised to x sin y. Only two components are there. So derivative with respect to x, first term will remain as it is. Derivative with respect to y, e raised to x as it is, derivative sin y is cos y. So 2 times e raised to x cos y. Option C will be the correct answer. Come on, लाइक बटन हिट करना है. अभी तक अगर लाइक हिट नहीं किया है तो लाइक बटन प्रेस कीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट. ग्रेडियंट फाई चाहिए. where phi is log r. ARC carding. What's your name, beta? Sir, you are in awesome. अरे thank you बच्चा. Thank you. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Phi is log r. What is this gradient phi? Gradient phi means del phi. It is a vector quantity, remember. I del phi by del r. J del phi by del r. Should be I del phi by del x. Then J del phi by del y. Then K del phi by del I cap. Del phi by del x. Derivative of log r is 1 by r and derivative of r is del r by del x. Then again 1 by r, but this time del r by del y. Then k cap. 1 by r, del r by del z. So 1 by r is common. Yes, Sai Kishore, correct it. I cap. What is del r by del x? Del r by del x is nothing but x by r. Del r by del y is y by r. Del r by del z is z by r. So r is taken as the denominator's LCM, so 1 upon r square. Xi plus yj plus zk is r vector. R vector upon r on r square upon square. R square is nothing but r dot r. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next, see in this integration, the vector is this one. Say this is a vector 9xi minus 2yj cap minus zk cap. Calculate its divergence. So divergence of a vector. Del by del x of 9x will be 9. Del by del y of minus 2y will be minus 2 and del by del z of minus z will be minus 1. 6. By divergence theorem, the answer for this question will be volume integral of divergence of this vector, that is divergence of A into dv. Divergence of A is 6. So this is 6 times V, where V is the volume enclosed by this surface, and surface is nothing but this sphere. So volume of this sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is the radius, 3 is the radius, 3 cube. Okay, एक बार 3 cancel हो जाएगा here. 6 pi is there. 6 4s are 24. 24 into 9, that is 216. This will be the answer. Can I have your response? Students, are you following? Yes, I got few responses. 2165 आना चाहिए ना. Next. देखते हैं इसे. A vector is 2xi plus 3yj plus 4zk, and u is this one. Okay. Divergence of u into A vector is a scalar. Divergence means del dot u into A vector. You have to find u out del dot A plus del u dot with A vector. This is the formula. U. What is u? As it is. Divergence of A. Divergence of this vector will be 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Del u, that is gradient of u. Gradient of I. Del u by del x. J. Del u by del z. So 2 common. Xi plus ij plus zk. What is A vector? A vector is 2xi 3yj plus 4zk. In u. हाँ जी. X into 2. 2x is y into 3. Z into z square. 9. What is u? U is square plus y square plus z square. 4x square, 6y square, 8z square. Count it. 9x square plus 4x square, 9x square, 9y square plus 6, 9z square plus 8z square, 17z square. At the point 1, 1, 1, we get 13 plus 15 plus 17. So 45 should be the answer. Mohammad Fahim Hassan, come to the session. So vector that is normal to the surface. So what is the surface given? Phi equal to 2x z square minus 3xy minus 4x minus 7. So good question, Sai Kishore. You know derivative? First function, derivative of second function, plus second function, derivative of first function. Correct? So what we want? Divergence of some scalar into vector. So see, first function, derivative of second function, plus second function, derivative of first function, like this. Now listen carefully. This is not yet completed. Derivative of a vector. So del operators operation on a vector. This is the operation between two vectors. So either this should be dot or cross. Since we have a dot here, it's dot. The operation between vector and scalar is simple operation. So no dot, no cross. But this will be a vector quantity. This will be also a vector quantity. There should be either a dot or cross. So since we have dot here, it's dot here. Okay. Hi Kishore. Del dot means divergence. Del dot means divergence of scalar into vector. Phi out del dot A, divergence of A vector dot del phi, gradient phi. So it is always better to write this A vector ahead of this for our rotations. The property we have for curl also. Del cross phi into A. Phi out del cross A. Del phi cross with A. Yes, sir. See you. So most probably this would be the last question in this session. Stay tuned. The vector that is normal to the surface. So 2x z square minus 3xy minus 4x minus 7. I brought this 7 to the left hand side. Vector normal to the surface means gradient phi. I del phi by del x, that will be z square minus 3y minus 4. Del phi by del y, this would be 0 minus 3x. A cap. Del phi by del z. So 4xz. I have to put this point 1 minus 1 2. So z is 2. So 2 square 4. 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Minus 3x. So minus 3 into 1. So minus 3. Then 4xz. 4 into 1 into 8k. Which option? Option C is the correct answer. So that's all from my side, students, in this session. I'll give you one homework. I request all of you post the answer for this in the comment box. So thanks a lot, students. Yesterday also we have solved 35 questions here. Today also we have solved 35 questions in a time around 90 minutes. Okay. So almost we are following the speed of the GATE question paper, maybe faster than that. So anyways, we'll meet tomorrow once again this beautiful session of PYQ series. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much for coming in this session. Thank you. Have you all enjoyed this session? Are you following, students? Arun Kumar responded, thank you, beta. Chaliye, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Night.